Hi guys, just want to give you a simple scenario of how property investment can work for you. Let's say you have a house which is around 500,000 and you have a mortgage of around 400,000, and let's say now you go and buy another investment property which is also around 500,000, and just to keep things simple, its mortgage is around 400,000 on that. So what you have now is a total of $1 million worth of property and 800,000 worth of debt on those properties. Now let's go 10 years ahead. In Victoria, generally property prices will double between 8 to 10 years. So let's say ballpark your properties double in value in 10 years. Now what you can do it, let's say this is just very simple strategy, very easy going, that can apply to a lot of people. Okay, what you can do is after 10 years both the properties have gone to 1 million each. That means you have 2 million worth of properties. However, the debt on those properties, let's say we only paid interest, it's still 800,000. Now imagine a scenario, you don't have to do this, imagine a scenario where you sell that investment property. Okay, you have to pay some capital gain tax, all right, but you sell that property for $1 million, you pay the 400,000 to the bank and say okay, that's it for that loan for the investment property, you're clear with that. You pay some capital gain tax, you still get some money left over. Okay, now it's up to you how you want to use that money. What you can do is you can put all that money into your home mortgage, which was around 400,000. Suddenly you might find either that mortgage is fully gone or you have very less mortgage left over in that property, in your owner occupied property. So how's that for a strategy? Very easy, very simple to do. A lot of people can do it. It's just the way they want to structure their life and what they think about money, like building wealth or building a property portfolio. So this simple strategy can work for many people if their goal is just to pay off their debts in about 10 years rather than waiting for 25-30 years, which most of the people tend to do. So think over that. If you have any comments on that, any suggestions or anything better that you can do, then please comment below. Thank you.